In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Translate in Google Chrome. By the end, your browser will automatically offer to translate web pages that aren't in your preferred language, making browsing smoother and more accessible. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. This works the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so Chrome can reach the translation service when it's needed. With Chrome open, look to the very top right of the window. Click the three vertical dots, often called the More or Customize and Control menu. If your window isn't maximized, you might need to widen it to see the icon clearly. This menu is where Chrome keeps most of its tools and settings. From that drop-down, select Settings. Clicking it opens a new tab dedicated to configuring Chrome. You don't need to change anything else here. We're heading straight to the language controls that govern translation. In the Settings tab, find the section labeled Languages. It's typically listed in the left-hand sidebar. Click it to open the Language Preferences page. This area manages your preferred languages and how Chrome handles pages that appear in other languages. Now scroll through the Languages page and look for the Google Translate option. Depending on your version, it may read something like Use Google Translate or Offer to translate pages that aren't in a language you read. This setting is what triggers the translate prompt when Chrome detects a web page in a different language than your preferred ones. When you find it, click the toggle switch to enable it. When the switch moves to the right and changes color, the feature is on. There's no Save button here. Your change takes effect immediately. From now on, whenever you visit a site in a language Chrome thinks you don't read, you'll see a translate bar or icon offering to translate the page for you. You can accept the translation, dismiss it, or choose preferences directly from that prompt. A couple of quick tips to make this work best for you. Make sure your primary language is listed correctly in the Languages section so Chrome knows what you read. If you don't see the translate option, your browser might need updating, or your device could be managed by an organization that controls this setting. That's it. You've successfully enabled Google Translate in Chrome, so future pages in other languages will be just a click away from being readable. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!